video, I'm going to introduce you to the main stack. What is the main stack? The main stack is a combination of various technologies that make it simple and quick to create web application. So the main stack stands for MongoDB, which is a database that stores your application. Also includes Express, which provides features for your web applications. And then we have Angular, which allows your application to have an extended HTML library. And then we have Node, which is a framework for fast and scalable network applications. When you master the main stack, you are able to create dynamic websites and web applications.